What fraction does the shaded portion in each of the following diagrams represent? We have 3 diagrams here. Let's find the fraction of the portions shaded. In the first diagram, we count the number of equal parts that has been divided to and then write that as our denominator. And then the number of parts shaded is our numerator. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if that would be an issue, you can write the numbers into it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will help you to minimize error. So we can see that it has been divided into 8 equal places. Now that becomes our denominator. Now the number of parts that is shaded is our numerator. So let's count. We have 1, 2, and 3. That tells us that this diagram represents 3/8. To the second we go. Let's count the number of equal parts that has been divided into. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. It has been divided into 20 equal parts. Now the number of parts shaded: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this represents 6/20. And then to the third one, how many parts is it divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Now that is our denominator. And then let's count the shaded portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Therefore, this diagram represents 7/25. Draw any shape you like, divide them into equal numbers, and then shade some portion and try to find out how many fractions of that shape you have drawn have you shaded. Thank you.